Brajami Hari Gopi Janavallabha Girivardhana Gopi Janavallabha Girivardhana Yashoda Nandana Raja Janaranjana Yashoda Nandana Raja Janaranjana Yamuna Tira Yamuna Tira Gopi Janavallabha Gopi Janavallabha Yashoda Nandana Raja Janaranjana Yamuna Tira Yamuna Tira Hare Krishna Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Haribo, 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 Haribo. Om Jnanatimidandasya Gyananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmilidam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Stapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamayam Dadati Swapadantikam Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Yukta Paragamanam Shri Guru Vaishnavam Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunatam Vitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padam Sahagana Lalita Shri Vishakhanvitam Scha Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pristaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swaminiti Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Prachari Nirvishesha Shunyavani Paschasya Deshatlani Mancha Kalpatrubhyascha Kripa Sindhurya Evacha Patitanam Bhavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha. Hey Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namaste Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vishwavanshite Pranamami Hari Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasari Gaura Bhaktavrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Krishna 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 Hare Rama Hare Rama Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chayanarottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Nashta Prayeshva Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Tamashloke Bhaktir Bhavati Nashti Grantaraja Srimad Bhagavatam Ki Jai. Hare Krishna, good morning everyone.
Good morning.
早晨。
早晨。
Today we're reading from Srimad Bhagavatam,
今日我哋會閱讀聖典博家雅談，
which we're very fortunate to do.
呢個係一個好幸運嘅事，我哋可以一齊做呢個活動。
Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 7, The Son of Drona Punished,
第一
verse
篇，
number 8.
我哋今日閱讀嘅係聖典博家雅談第一篇第7章 Drona 嘅兒子受懲罰。我哋閱讀嘅係第8節。
Sasanghitang Bhagavatim
Sasanghitang Bhagavati
Sasanghitang Bhagavatim
Sasanghitang Bhagavati
Kritvanukramya Chatmajam Kritvanukramya Chatmajam
Kritvanukramachantam
Shukam Adyapayanasa Shukam Adyapayamasa Nivritti Niratang Muni Nivritti Niratang Muni Sasanghitang Bhagavati Kritvanukramya Chatmajam Shukam Adyapayamasa Nivritti Niratam Muni
Sasanghitang Bhagavatim Kritvanukramya Chatmajam Shukram Adyapayamasya Nivritti Niratam Muni
Sasanghitang Bhagavatim
Sasanghitang Bhagavatim
Kritvanukramya Chatmajam
Kritvanukramachamajam
Shukam Adhyapayamasa
Shukram Adyapayamasya
Nivritti Niratam Munihi
Nivritti Niratam Munihi
Sasanghitang Bhagavatim
Sasanghitang Bhagavatim
Kitva Anukramya Chatmajam
Kritvanukramachamajam
Sukam Adhyapayam Asa
Shukam Adyapayamasya
Nivritti Niratam Muni
Nivritti Niratam Munihi
Sasanghitang Bhagavatim
Sasanghitang Bhagavatim
Kritvanukramya Chatmajam
Kritvanukramachamajam
Adhyapayamasa
Shukam Adyapayamasya
Niratam Muni
Nivritti Niratam Muni Sasanghitang Bhagavatam
Sasanghitang Bhagavatim
Ritva Nukramachamacham Sukhamadhyaphayamasya Niritti Niratam Munihi.
Okay, what does it mean?
咁我哋解釋啦，開始。
Saha,
Saha
that,
那
na, samhitam,
Samhitam
Vedic literature,
偉達文獻
Bhagavatim,
Bhagavatim
in relation with the personality of Godhead.
與人格守神有關。
Kritva, having done.
做了
Anukramya, by correction and repetition.
經過改正和重寫
Cha,
Cha
and
and 和
Atmajam,
Atmajam
his own son.
他自己的兒子
Shukam, Shukadeva Goswami,
Sukadeva Goswami
Adhyapayam Asa,
Adhyapanyamasa
taught.
教導
Nivritti,
Niriti
path of self-realization.
自我覺悟的途徑
Niratam,
Niratam
engaged.
engage 從事於
Muni, the sage.
聖節
Sensi. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada Ki Jai.
Jai.
Translation. The great sage Vyasadeva, after compiling the Srimad Bhagavatam and revising it, taught it to his own son, Sri Shukadev Goswami, who was already engaged in self-realization.
譯文：偉大的聖人 Vyasadeva 編撰修訂聖典博加雅談後，把它傳授給兒子，已經在從事覺悟自我活動的聖 Sri Sukadeva Goswami。
Purport Srimad Bhagavatam is the natural commentation on the Brahma Sutras compiled by the same author. This Brahma Sutra or Vedanta Sutra is meant for those who are already engaged in self-realization.
聖典博加雅談是作者對他編撰的 Brahma Sutras 所進行的自然評注。Brahma Sutra、Vedanta Sutra 是為那些已經在從事覺悟自我活動的人編撰的。
Srimad Bhagavatam is so made that one becomes at once engaged in the path of self-realization simply by hearing the topics, although it is especially meant for the Paramahamsas, or those who are totally engaged in self-realization. It works into the depths of the hearts of those who may be worldly men.
而聖典博加雅談的編撰方式及內容，則可以使人光是聆聽其中的主題，就立即走上覺悟自我的路途。儘管這部巨著是專門為全身心從事覺悟自我活動的人 Paramhamsas 編撰的，但其中的話語甚至深入追逐塵世名利之人的心。
Worldly men are all engaged in sense gratification, but even such men will find in this Vedic literature a remedial measure for their material diseases.
追逐塵世名利的人都在忙於感官享樂，但就連這樣的人也將從這部偉大文獻中找到治癒他們的物質疾病的方法。
Shukadeva Goswami was a liberated soul from the very beginning of his birth, and his father taught him Srimad Bhagavatam.
Shukadeva Goswami 從一出生就是解脫了的靈魂，他父親又教授他聖典博加雅談。
Among mundane scholars, there is some diversity of opinion as to the date of compilation of Srimad Bhagavatam. It is, however, certain from the text of the Bhagavatam that it was compiled before the disappearance of King Parikshit and after the departure of Lord Krishna.
儘管世俗學者們對聖典博卡雅談編撰的年代有不同的看法，但從這部巨著記載的內容看，無疑就會清楚，他在主 Krishna 在起程返回靈性世界後 ，Parikshit 王離世前就編撰完成了。
When Maharaj Parikshit was ruling the world as the king of Bharatavarsha, he chastised the personality of Kali. According to revealed scriptures and astrological calculation, the age of Kali is in its 5,000th year.
當 Parikshit 王作為整個地球 Bharatavarsha 的君王統治全世界時，他處罰了卡利年代的人格化身。按照啟示經典及占星術推算，卡利年代從5000年前開始。
Therefore, Srimad Bhagavatam was compiled not less than 5,000 years ago.
因此，聖典博加雅談至少是在5000年前編撰完成的。
Mahabharata was compiled before Srimad Bhagavatam, and the Puranas were compiled before Mahabharata. That is an estimation of the date of compilation of the different Vedic literatures.
長篇史詩 Mahabharata 在聖典博加雅談之前編撰完成，眾多的往世書 Puranas 則先於 Mahabharata 完成。這是對各部偉大文獻編撰完成的時間所作的判斷。
The synopsis of Srimad Bhagavatam was given before the detailed description under instruction of Narada. Srimad Bhagavatam is the science for following the path of Nivritti Marga. The path of Pravritti Marga was condemned by Narada.
按照 Narada 的指示 ，Vyasadeva 編撰聖典博加雅談時，在進行細節性描述前，先給出了整部著作的概要。聖典博加雅談是棄絕之徒 Nivritti Marga 的科學，而享樂之徒 Pravritti Marga 則受到 Narada 的譴責。
That path is the natural inclination for all conditioned souls. The theme of Srimad Bhagavatam is the cure of the materialistic disease of the human being, or stopping completely the pangs of material existence.
受制約的靈魂自然受到享樂之徒的吸引。聖典博加雅談中的論題可以治癒人類的物質主義疾病，或者說完全終止物質存在的痛苦。
And so ends Srila Prabhupada's purport to this verse.
咁喺呢一度就讀完咗我聖巴布巴對呢一個要旨嘅翻譯。
Sasanghitam Bhagavatim Kritvanukramya Chatmajam Shukam Adyapayamasa Nivritti Niratam Muni. The great sage Vyasadeva, after compiling the Srimad Bhagavatam and revising it, taught it to his own son, Sri Shukadeva Goswami, who was already engaged in self-realization.
偉大的聖人 Vyasadeva 編撰修訂聖典博加雅談後，把它傳授給兒子，已經在從事覺悟自我活動的 Sri Shukadeva Goswami。
Okay, so yeah. This verse, in a sense, completes a short series of verses, starting with verse number 4.
咁呢一個詩節咧，其實咧係完成咗咧一個好小嘅系列啦，喺呢一個章節入面，而呢個係由第4節開始嘅。
Verse 4 is describing Vyasadev's meditation. After he's discussed with Narada what he should do, then he sits down and meditates, and that meditation is described here.
咁第4節咧，其實講述嘅就係 Vyasadeva 咧，佢同 Narada Muni 傾完之後，即係討論完之後咧，佢咧就即刻坐低咧，然後做嘅冥想嚟嘅。咁喺呢個詩節咧，係描述咗咧佢個冥想嘅內容，直至去到頭先第8節。
Bhakti yogena manasi samyak pranihite amale apashyat purusham purnam mayam chayat apashrayam. Thus he fixed his mind, perfectly engaging it by linking it in devotional service, bhakti yoga, without any tinge of materialism, and thus he saw the absolute personality of Godhead, along with his external energy, which was under full control.
第4節嘅譯文係接着他集中自己的心念，全神貫注地用它做奉愛服務、奉愛瑜伽，心中沒有絲毫的物質慾念。以此方式，他看到了絕對的人格守神，以及完全在他控制下的他的外在能量。
As I mentioned a couple of days ago, these verses are considered very important by Srila Jiva Goswami in his great treatise on the Bhagavatam, the Sandarbhas.
咁喺呢幾個詩節咧，喺我幾日前咧都提過嘅。Jiva Goswami 係非常之重視佢哋，咁所以咧呢個喺佢嘅Sandarbha 嗰個著作入面咧，佢係有詳細演繹到解釋。
So why does he consider it so important?
咁點解佢會覺得呢幾個詩節好重要呢？
Well, for one reason, it's describing how Vyasa has realized the truth, which he then presents as the Bhagavatam.
因為咧呢一度咧係解釋咗Vyasadeva 嘅覺悟，而佢之後咧係演繹成為咧聖典博伽亞談。
And that truth has two sides to it. There is Purusham Purnam, the full person, the supreme person.
咁呢一個佢覺悟到嘅真相咧係有兩面嘅，一個咧就係講咧至尊人格守神，
And there's Maya,
而另一方面咧就係講 Maya 嗰個幻象能量。
which is Tat Apashrayam, which is fully under the control of the Purusham Purnam.
而呢一個幻象咧係完全受至尊人格守神所控制。
So this is a very significant philosophical, theological principle, which we can say is expanded through the Bhagavatam.
咁而呢一個係一個好重要嘅哲學同埋神學嘅概念，貫穿咗成個之後聖典博伽亞談嘅主題。
The next verse elaborates on the situation of the conditioned soul, the jivas, and how they are under the control of the three gunas.
咁而之後咧，佢就會講述咧，就係受制約嘅靈魂咧係點解受到制約啦，同埋跟住佢會講述咧嗰三種嘅物質能量，三個能量狀態。
And therefore they experience anartam.
亦都因為咁咧，所以咧會體驗到咧 anartam。
And we talked about anarta, was it yesterday or the day before yesterday?
我哋尋日定係前日，我哋就係討論過 anarta 呢一個主題。
Yeah, that which has no value or no meaning.
佢係一啲冇意義、冇價值嘅嘢嚟嘅。
So then it proceeds to how Vyasadeva addresses this problem.
咁然後所以喺之後嘅詩節咧，就係講述 Vyasadeva 咧，去點樣去解決呢個問題。
he addresses this problem, this ignorance of conditioned souls, by composing the Srimad Bhagavatam.
因為咧佢為咗呢啲受制約嘅靈魂嘅愚昧啦，所以咧佢要編製呢一個聖典博加雅談。
Lokasya ajanata vidvan. Here, Vyasa is referred to as vidvan, as one who is full of knowledge.
咁喺呢度咧Vyasadeva咧係被稱為Vidyan 啦，就係指佢係充滿知識智慧。
Chakre Sattvata Samhitang, he composes Chakre, this Samhita, which is Sattvata, which is in relation to the Supreme Truth.
咁喺呢一度咧，佢講述嘅就係話佢係編撰啦呢一個博加雅談，而係指講述呢一個絕對真理。
And that's good news because, and that's explained in the next verse.
咁呢個係一個好嘅消息嚟嘅，然後喺之後嗰個詩節咧就會有解釋啦。
How do you say good news?
好消息
Also say,
，yes。
also say. And the good news is that Shoka Moha Bhaya Apaha, that this Bhagavatam enables bhakti, and bhakti makes it possible to become free from lamentation, illusion, and fearfulness.
因為咧呢個好消息咧就係因為呢個經典咧，佢能夠咧提升咧佢一個人嘅一個奉愛嗰個成為一個奉獻者啦。咁而呢啲有奉愛原則嘅人咧，佢哋咧就可以咧脫離呢一啲悲傷啦、憂鬱嘅情況嘅。
And for whom is this bhakti? Bhakti is Krishna Paramapurushe. It is, well, literally in Krishna, who is the Supreme Purusha.
咁而呢個奉獻奉愛嘅對象係咩咧？咁就正如佢個名稱已經講咗啦，就喺梵文度係指 in Krishna， 即係話喺 Krishna 嘅當中，所以個對象咧就係至尊人格手神 Krishna。
And then we come to today's verse, Sasamhitam. So that same samhita, that same composition or compilation, which is in relation to Bhagavan, Bhagavatim, Kritva, having done this compiling,
咁所以咧講完以上頭先嘅之後咧，終於嚟到今日嗰個詩節就係講述咧佢編製咗嘅聖典博加雅談咧係描述博加梵啦、至尊人格手神。
and Anukramya, which has a sense of, well, it can mean summarizing. Summarizing.
佢亦都可以指咧，除咗係指編製啦，亦都可以指係歸納嘅，將嗰啲內容。
Atmajam Shukam Adyapayam Asa. He taught what he had compiled to his son, Atmajam, who is Shuka.
佢咧就將佢編製啦、修訂咗歸納咗嘅呢啲經典咧，就將佢傳授咗俾佢嘅兒子，就係已經係覺悟咗自我嘅Sukadeva Goswami。
So, in this short sequence, we get quite a lot of a lot happening.
咁所以咧喺頭先以上提到嘅幾個詩節入面咧，有好多嘅事情已經發生咗啦，講述咗。
Vyasa has heard from Narada. He's gotten inspiration from Narada. As a result, he meditates. In his meditation, he realizes Krishna and Maya's dependence on Krishna.
咁喺成個少少嘅系列講嘅就係 Vyasadeva 啦，當佢同 Narada Muni 咧探討完之後，佢得到一啲啟發，咁然後咧佢即刻就做個冥想，而喺冥想當中咧，佢就覺悟到博加梵至尊人格手神啦，同埋 Maya 啦幻象之間咧嗰個關係，而 Maya 咧係全依附於喺人格手神上面。
And he sees that all of the jivas have, although they're related to Krishna, they're under the influence of Maya.
咁雖然咧諸佛啦、啲靈魂啦，佢哋咧都係嚟自於至尊人格守神，但係咧佢哋咧係受到 Maya 個影響。
So what to do? Compile the Bhagavatam so that these poor jivas can get out of Maya.
咁有咩辦法咧？於是咧佢咧就編撰咗呢一個聖典博加雅壇，希望咧可以令到呢啲靈魂咧得到解脫。
And he doesn't just compose this book and then sort of he doesn't try to promote it on social media.
咁但係佢編撰完呢本書之後點咧？嗱，佢有冇即刻咧做喺個社交媒體度做市場推廣喎？
What's social media?
社交媒體
Oh. No, he teaches it to his son.
佢咧冇咁做，反而咧佢將啲知識咧就教授咗俾佢兒子。
And his son is already engaged in self-realization from before day one.
咁而佢嘅呢個兒子咧，其實咧係由佢出生之前咧，已經咧係開始從事覺悟自我嘅活動。
And from that we understand his son is extraordinarily qualified to hear.
咁而我哋後尾我哋當然都知道就係佢兒子咧係好非凡地啦，係絕對有呢個資格咧去聆聽呢啲知識。
In the purport, Srila Prabhupada is saying, in effect, the Bhagavatam is for such persons like Shukadev Goswami.
咁喺要旨度咧，聖巴布巴咧係有強調到咧，就係聖典博加雅壇咧係為咗好似 Shukadeva Goswami 咁樣嘅人嘅。
And we may naturally think, well, then it's not for me.
咁我哋可能咧就會即刻諗咁即係唔啱我啦。
Because there's no comparison. I'm not like Shukadev Goswami.
咁因為好明顯，我唔係 Shukadeva Goswami 嗰類嘅人啦。
But then we get reassurance. Srila Prabhupada explains that, interesting, he says, although it is especially meant for the Paramahamsas, it works into the depths of the hearts of those who may be worldly men.
咁但係咧，我哋又得到巴布巴嘅肯定咧，佢就話啦，雖然咧呢一部巨著係專門為嗰啲身心從事覺悟自我活動嘅人而所編製成嘅，但係咧當中嘅話語咧係對嗰啲追逐緊俗世名利嘅人咧係都有幫助。
And he'll sort of come back to that point at the end of his purport.
咁而呢個重點咧喺呢個要旨入面最後咧係再一次重複嘅。
When he says Srimad Bhagavatam is the science for following the path of Nivritti Marga.
佢咧入面就話啦，聖典博加雅壇咧其實係一個棄絕之途嘅科學 Nivritti Marga。
The path of Pravritti Marga was condemned by Narada.
而呢一個享樂之途 Pravritti Marga 咧就受到 Narada Muni 嘅譴責。
Maybe that's why we don't see Narada so much in Hong Kong.
所以咧，可能呢個原因咧，我哋喺香港就唔會見到有 Narada Muni 喺度成日出現。
Because Hong Kong is one big giant Pravritti Marga.
因為咧，成個香港都係一個巨型嘅 Pravritti Marga 享樂之途。
He says that path is the natural inclination for all conditioned souls.
咁呢一度咧有詳細講就話咧，呢一個棄絕之途啦，其實係講錯咗，受制約嘅靈魂咧係會好自然受到呢個享樂之途嘅吸引嘅。
And in the last sentence, he explains what is the theme of the Srimad Bhagavatam.
咁而最後咧就有講到，咁到底聖典博加雅壇嘅主題係啲乜嘢？
And he explains it in medical terms.
佢咧用一個好醫學嘅説法咧去講。
It is the cure of the materialistic disease of the human being.
聖典博加亞壇嘅主旨咧係用嚟治癒人類嘅物質主義疾病。
Yeah, so Pravritti Marga, we can say, is the path of continuing disease.
咁所以某程度我哋可以話呢個享樂之途 Pravritti Marga 咧，其實係一種人類嘅物質主義嘅疾病嚟嘅。
In English language, dis-ease means having no ease, no peace.
咁某程度咧，疾病喺英文個串法咧，亦都好似讀落去就係講話得不到平安。
So the Nivritti Marga is actually the path of ease.
咁所以咧 Nivritti Marga 咧，某程度就係一條令你可以得到平靜啦、安寧嘅一個通道。
So it appears to be the difficult path, but it's actually the easy path.
咁所以咧呢一個
The path of ease.
氣絕之途啦，睇嚟咧雖然好似聽落好難啊，但其實反而咧佢係會一個可以令你得到平靜咧，令你安心同埋係比較容易 easy 啲嘅一個途徑啦。
And this was Srila Shukadev Goswami's point. It took a long time for Shukadev to be born because he didn't see any point in coming out into this world, which was the Pravritti Marga world.
咁呢個可能咧就係個原因咧，就係因為我哋都知道 Sukadeva Goswami 咧，其實佢用咗好長嘅時間咧，先至出生降臨嘅。咁點解咧？因為佢覺得咧根本冇必要降臨喺呢一個享樂充滿住享樂嘅呢個地方 Pravritti 嘅地方。
But he was persuaded eventually. And how was he persuaded? By hearing some verses from Srimad Bhagavatam.
咁但最後咧，佢係被勸說咧，佢咧係要出世嘅。咁點樣被勸到佢咧？就係咧，佢聆聽咗咧某一啲聖典博加談嘅章節內容。
And there's that story that after he was born, he immediately runs away into the forest, and Vyasa is calling after him, and all that he hears is an echo from the trees.
咁有個故事啦，就係咧講佢一出世之後咧，佢咧就即刻咧走咗去森林嗰度啦。咁咧 Vyasadeva 咧喺度呼喚佢啦，但係佢聽到嘅咧只係森林嘅一啲回音。
So Vyasa sends some of his other disciples after Shukadev, after him calling out to him by chanting verses from the Bhagavatam.
咁於是咧，佢就聽到咧，佢啲門徒有啲門徒咧都開始咧喺度咧呼喚啦，幫佢咧想叫翻佢翻嚟。咁而佢嘅方法咧，就係咧喺度背誦一啲咧聖典博加亞談入面嘅詩節。
And if I remember correctly, one of the verses is from third canto, a famous verse.
咁如果我冇記錯咧，其中一個呼喚佢嘅一個章節咧，係嚟自博加亞談咧嘅第3篇嘅，好出名嘅。
Aho baki yang stanakala kutam chigang saya paya yat apyasadvi lebegatim datricham uchitam tatoyam kamvadayalum sharanam rajema. It's an expression of wonder. Aho, how wonderful it is. What is so wonderful?
咁呢個好著名嘅詩節咧，一開始就咧講得阿吼係一個感嘆嚟嘅，就係話有啲好美妙嘅事情。乜嘢咁美妙咧？
How do you say aho in Guangdonghua? Exclamation of wonder.
哇！
Wow. Okay. So, wow. What is so wonderful is that the Lord is so merciful.
咁乜嘢係咁美妙、咁美好咧？就係主咧係好仁慈。
And the example in this verse of his mercy is his mercy on Putana.
咁喺嗰個詩節入面講嘅仁慈係啲咩？就係佢對 Putana 咧嘅仁慈啦。
Although her intention was to murder or to assassinate Krishna. Krishna liberated her, and not only that, made her his nurse.
咁Putana 佢做咗啲咩咧？就係、佢 Putana 咧呢個女巫啦，佢係嘗試咧想咧暗殺啦、刺殺 Krishna 嘅。但係 Krishna 係好仁慈，雖然佢知道佢咁做啦，佢依然咧令到佢得到解脫，甚至乎之後咧將佢升格為咧佢嘅照顧護理者。
Because Krishna's perception of Putana was that her deeper intention was to serve him.
因為咧喺 Krishna 嘅角度嚟講啦，佢覺得Putana 咧最深層嘅一個慾望咧，其實就要係去服務佢。
After all, she had offered Krishna something.
因為咧始終啦，佢咧係願意奉獻提供一啲嘢俾 Krishna。
The fact that there was poison on her breast was, from Krishna's perspective, kind of beside the point.
咁當時因為咧Putana 啦，佢嘗試係侮辱Krishna 啦，咁喺 Krishna 角度就係雖然咧佢個胸部嗰度咧係搽咗啲毒藥，但係咧呢一個係離咗題嘅，呢個唔係個重要地方。
So when Shukadeva Goswami hears this, he understands, oh, I have something more to learn.
咁Shukadeva Goswami 聽到呢個詩節嘅時候咧，咁佢就覺得我仲有好多嘢要學。
So Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai.
所以萬歲。
That's what Shukadeva decides he has to learn.
咁呢個就係 Shukadeva Goswami 決定佢要去繼續學習嘅地方啦。
And this brings us to our continuation of Srimad Bhagavat Mahatmya of the Skanda Purana.
咁而家咧，所以我哋就咧繼續咧，我哋去閱讀一個往世書。Sorry, I can't catch the name. Skanda Purana. Skanda Purana.
Yes. So, as those of you who heard yesterday heard, let's see, where were we? Brihaspati was telling Uddhava how Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva had been informed by Lord Krishna, Narayana, that in order to fulfill their services, they should hear Srimad Bhagavatam and recite Bhagavatam.
咁尋日咧，我哋咧就聽到佢咧就係Uddhava，佢聽到嘅地方咧就係 Krishna 啦同主 Brahma 啦，佢哋講咧就係話，如果佢哋咧係應該要去閱讀同埋繼續聆聽聖典博加雅談嘅。
And the result was that Lord Brahma had, recited Bhagavatam for 7 days. Lord Vishnu had recited for 1 month. Lakshmi had recited for 2 months. And Shiva had recited for 1 year, the Srimad Bhagavatam.
尋日就講到啦 ，Narayana 咧佢咧就去同主 Brahma 啦、Vishnu 啦、Lakshmi 啦同埋咧 Shiva 去講佢哋要去讀聖典博加雅談。咁最後咧主Brahma 梵天咧佢咧係閱讀咗7日嘅，咁而 Vishnu 咧佢咧係閱讀咗1個月，咁Lakshmi 女神咧就係2個月，而濕婆 Shiva 咧就閱讀咗1年嘅。
This is all being explained by Uddhava, who has appeared or reappeared in Vraja to the wives of Krishna.
咁呢一個咧係講述嘅時候發生喺咧 Uddhava 咧講述呢件事，佢咧係重新出現喺Vraja 嗰度咧，同 Krishna 嘅妻子們去講呢個故事。
And he explains that he had heard Bhagavatam from Krishna himself. Uddhava had heard. And so he was serving the Srimad Bhagavatam.
咁Uddhava 咧講咧就係話佢係由 Krishna 口中咧親自去聽到咧呢一個聖典博加雅談嘅知識，咁所以佢用呢個方式咧去服務呢一個博加雅談。
But he had served the Bhagavatam for only 1 month. This was prior to his hearing from Krishna, apparently. And the result was that he became the dear friend of Lord Krishna.
咁呢個咧係佢同 Krishna 喺佢口中咧聽到呢個知識之前咧1個月咧，佢去閱讀做呢樣嘢嘅，而之後咧佢就因為咁，所以佢同 Krishna 做咗好朋友。
And another result was Krishna had sent Uddhava to Vrindavan to pacify and also to educate the Vrajavasis.
亦都因為咁咧，所以咧 Krishna 咧就提升咗佢啦，亦都派遣佢咧去Raja 嗰度咧，就係去令到啲人咧可以得到啟發，令到當地嘅居民咧可以有啟發嘅。
And he explained, so I went to Vrindavan, to Braja, and I spoke to the Vrajavasis, the gopis, and I was teaching them Srimad Bhagavatam.
咁所以咧就去咗溫達文 Vrindavan 啦，去到同當地嘅居民啦、牧牛姑娘啦，就去講述咧博加亞談嘅聖典博加亞談嘅教導。
And then he kind of makes a confession. He says, I don't really understand the Bhagavatam myself.
咁而咧當中咧，佢忍唔住都有一個懺悔，佢就話：其實我本人都唔係太明白呢一個經典嘅。
It is a great mystery.
呢個係一個好神秘嘅事情。
But I experience still some sense of wonder about this.
但係咧，我能夠可以感受到咧當中嘅奧妙。
And then, after that, we know from Canto 11, prior to Krishna's departure, Krishna speaks directly to Uddhava, the Bhagavatam, in the 11th canto.
咁當然啦，我哋喺之後咧係會去到第11篇嘅時候，聖典博加談第11篇咧就會講述 Krishna 咧喺離開呢個物質世界之前咧，佢咧其實就同Uddhava 咧佢講呢個聖典博加談嘅。
And he says, as a result of that instruction, my buddhi, my intelligence became fixed.
咁而佢入面有講到就係話咧，因為受到呢一個嘅訓示啦，我嘅知識啦、個智慧啦，亦都因為咁咧係得到堅固、穩固。
That section of the Bhagavatam is known as the Uddhava Gita.
亦都因為咁咧，所以嗰段嘅詩節喺博加亞談咧就成為咗咧 Uddhava Gita 啦，Uddhava 之歌。
There's the Bhagavad Gita, there's the Uddhava Gita, there's the Brahmana Gita. There's a few Gitas within the Bhagavatam.
咁喺聖典博加亞談咧，既有我哋最熟悉嘅博加梵歌啦，亦都有咧Uddhava 嘅Gita Uddhava 之歌啦，有Brahmana 嘅 Gita 啦。
So he says, then I went to Badarikashrama, and there, he says, I attained perfection.
咁佢就有講之後，我去到Brajana 嗰度。
Badarikashrama.
Badarikashrama，然後就係嗰度咧係得到圓滿嘅。
Badarikashram, where is Badarikashram?
Badarikashram 喺邊度咧？喜馬拉雅山。
Yes. Badrinath is the deity there. Badrinath.
Badrinath。
Okay, then he says, after that, I went to Braja, and I've been living here in Braja as a lata, as a creeper.
咁之後咧，佢去完喜馬拉雅山之後咧，佢就去咗溫達文啦。喺溫達文嘅地方，佢住下來咧，成為一個遊蕩者。
I'm living here near Narada Kunda.
佢喺Narada Kunda 附近咧定居落嚟。
Okay, so Sutta Goswami is explaining all of this to the sages of Naimisharanya.
咁Sutta Goswami 咧就將以上一切咧就向所有聖人咧去講呢一度講一切。
And Maharaj Parikshit is hearing all of this before what's going to be described in this later chapters of Canto 1, where he meets Kali and confronts him.
咁當時咧Parikshit 王咧，佢亦都咧有聽到嘅，而呢個咧係喺佢遇到卡利之前咧係發生。咁呢一個遇到卡利嗰個故事，亦都會喺而家呢個第一篇嘅聖典博加亞談之後咧會講嘅故事。
So Parikshit Maharaj says now to Uddhava, "Oh, please recite for me the I want to hear the Bhagavatam now."
咁 Parikshit 咧係同 Uddhava 講咧話，希望你可以咧同我講述呢個聖典博加亞談。
And Uddhava says, "That's very nice, but it's not time for you yet."
咁 Uddhava 當時就話好好啊，不過咧而家未到時候。
Don't worry, you will hear it.
佢就話唔需要擔心嘅，你將會聽到呢個博加亞談。
But before you do that, we have a problem. And the problem is that the age of Kali has come and conditions are getting worse.
咁但係佢就話，但係咧喺呢個發生之前咧，有一件事咧好不幸嘅事，就係咧卡利已經嚟到啦，咁咧個情況變得好糟糕。
So you should go out and subdue Kali.
咁咧你咧應該咧要出去咧同呢個卡利咧去對抗令佢屈服。
So Parikshit says to Uddhava, "Okay, I can do that."
咁 Parikshit 就話好啊，冇問題，我去做啊。
But how am I going to hear the Srimad Bhagavatam? I want to hear the Bhagavatam.
但係我好想聽聖典博加亞談啊！我好想聽啊！點解我幾時可以聽啊？
I've come to take shelter at your lotus feet, so you should be merciful to me.
我嚟到喺度托庇於你嘅蓮花足，你應該對我仁慈喎。
And Uddhava reassures him, "There's no need for you to worry.
咁 Uddhava 咧就安慰佢咧，呢個你唔需要擔心，
You are most qualified to hear Srimad
你
Bhagavatam
係好有資格咧去聆聽呢個聖典博加亞談，
because of your eagerness."
因為咧你呢一個咁強烈嘅渴望之心。
And he says, "Because of your eagerness, you will hear the Bhagavatam, and as a result, so many people will benefit, because through you, others will hear."
咁亦都咧，因為你有呢一個渴望啦，你之後咧係會聆聽到博加亞談，而亦都會因為咁咧，有好多人咧係因為咁而受惠嘅。
So don't worry, eventually Shukadev Goswami is going to recite to you.
係話，所以你唔需要擔心。之後咧 Sukadeva Goswami 咧係會將聖典博加亞談咧向你誦讀嘅。
What he doesn't tell Maharaj Parikshit is that first, Maharaj Parikshit's going to be cursed to die in 7 days. He doesn't say that.
唯一佢冇講到嘅咧，就係咧，佢去聆聽呢個聖典博加亞談得到呢個仁慈之前咧，佢會係備受詛咒，同埋7日之後就會死嘅。
So Parikshit Maharaj was satisfied, pacified. He offered obeisance. He circumambulated Uddhava and went off to remove the influence of Kali from all directions.
咁所以咧Parikshit 聽到之後咧就好開心，咁於是佢向Uddhava 頂拜啦、曉拜佢啦，然後咧佢咧就去咧嘗試咧消除呢個卡利嘅一啲影響啦。
Hare Krishna. Grantaraj Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai.
Jai.
So this is kind of some of the backstory, you can say, of how the Bhagavatam is spoken.
咁我哋可以話頭先我哋聽到嘅古仔咧，就係呢一啲喺背景咧後面發生嘅一啲故事咧，去講述聖典博加亞談嘅。
In Srila Prabhupada's purport, he's also speaking some of this history of the Bhagavatam in relation to the Mahabharata.
咁而喺個要旨入面咧，巴布巴咧亦都有講述少少關於聖典博加亞談嘅一啲歷史啦，同埋佢咧同 Mahabharata 之間嘅關係。
He mentions mundane scholars as having various opinions about the age of the Bhagavatam.
咁佢有提到就係啲世俗嘅學者咧，對於咧博加亞談編撰嘅時間咧係有爭議嘅。
And indeed, this is the case. One devotee, who is also a scholar, did research about this, and he found all the different scholars and all the different dates that they give what they speculate as when the Bhagavatam was composed.
咁有個奉獻者咧，佢都係個學者嚟嘅，佢咧就咧幫手咧將咧唔同咧嘅學者啦，對於博家梵歌嘅編撰時間咧嘅論述咧，就詳細咁樣列咗落嚟。咁而好多唔同嘅學者都咧提供咗一個唔同嘅時間，佢哋猜測咧博家梵歌到底係邊一年編撰嘅。
Srila Prabhupada dismisses all of those ideas by simply taking as the final word the Bhagavatam itself.
咁巴布巴咧係將頭先咧好多呢啲學者嘅之間嘅爭論咧就全部都否定咗嘅，然後咧佢係淨係咧選擇咧係信聖典博家亞談咧講咧嗰個原則嘅。
He says the Bhagavatam was compiled not less than 5,000 years ago.
咁佢講咧就係話咧聖典博家亞談咧係喺不少於5000年之前咧係編撰完成。
One thing all the scholars would agree with, Prabhupada says Mahabharata was composed before Srimad Bhagavatam, and scholars would agree with that.
咁但係有一點咧，就係啲學者世俗嘅學者都應該會贊成嘅，就係咧 Mahabharata 咧係喺呢個聖典博家亞談之前咧已經係完成編製嘅。
But then Prabhupada says something quite surprising. He says the Puranas were compiled before the Mahabharata.
咁但係咧，巴布巴之後講嘅咧，又都係幾令人震驚嘅喎。佢就話其實咧，眾多嘅往世書 Puranas 咧係早過 Mahabharata 之前完成嘅。
And this is probably something mundane scholars would not agree with.
咁而呢一點咧係世俗嘅學者咧應該係唔會贊成嘅。
But what Prabhupada is referring to, it's possibly in the Upanishads. I don't remember where it is. It's mentioned that there is Puranic literature which is very ancient.
咁但係咧，應該咧係喺奧義書入面啦，我唔記得確實嗰個章節，佢有講到就係話往世書咧，佢嗰個係一啲好古老嘅文獻嚟嘅。
That during the time of the Vedic sacrifice, which is described in quite early literature, there are periods of time during these very big sacrifices when the priests are, you could say, taking a break. And during that time, there will be Puranic recitations by suttas, by these reciters of Puranas.
咁奧義書嗰度講述就係話咧，喺好遠古嘅時期啦，當時咧仲係講緊偉達嘅獻祭時代。咁喺嗰啲獻祭嘅途中咧，中間一啲短短嘅休息期間咧，咁其實啲婆羅門咧，佢哋咧就會係咧啲聖人啦，佢哋會係講述咧背誦咧呢啲往世書嘅。
In any case, in the verse we've read, we get an idea of the history of the Bhagavatam. According to the Bhagavatam, Maharaj Vyasa has spoken it to his son Shuka.
咁但無論點都好啦，我哋可以咧透過博家亞談講述翻博家亞談咧嗰個編製時間嘅，因為呢個咧係由 Vyasadeva 咧向佢嘅兒子所傳授嘅時候提過。
Srila Vyasadeva ki,
Jai
Srila Shukadev ki,
Jai
Grantaraj Srimad Bhagavatam ki,
Ki Jai
Gaur Premanande.
Hari Hari Bol。
In the Prabhupada mentioned that before the Bhagavatam compiled is the Mahabharata, and before this the Purana. And also we always say the Bhagavatam is Bhagavad Purana.
Yeah.
The one of the 18 mature Purana. So
Yes.
how we can relate the Purana is compiled before the
Yeah.
Mahabharata, and later now we have another Bhagavatam compiled. So it's later, but it's different.
Yeah.
咁 聖基林 Prabhu 又有一個問題啦，就係關於咧，如果好似經典頭先師節所講，就係話Mahabharata 咧係喺博加亞談之前已經完成，但係 Puranas 往世書亦都係喺 Mahabharata 再之前完成。咁我哋知道 Puranas 入面有嗰個係博加梵嘅往世書啦，咁但係博加梵往世書描述嘅內容咧，亦都係博加亞談入面嘅。咁到底我哋點樣去解釋呢一個時間線，佢哋之間嘅關係係啲咩咧？
The Bhagavatam is considered to be in its own category.
咁博加亞談咧係佢自己係屬於一種文獻嘅一個類別嚟嘅。
It's called a Purana, and at the same time, it's the culmination of all the Puranas. This is what Jiva Goswami is saying.
咁Jiva Goswami 咧就講過，因為佢既係一本往世書啦 Puranas， 但同時間咧佢係將所有嘅 Puranas 咧都集中於喺入面嘅。
As such, it's considered to be as good as Veda.
咁亦都因為咁咧，所以咧佢係同偉達一樣咁好嘅。
It's considered to be the completion of the Veda.
佢亦都咧係被視為咧完成咗偉達嘅文獻。
It's considered to be Shruti, therefore, not just Smriti.
咁佢咧直情咧係嗰個真經嚟嘅，即係佢唔係單純係一啲讒言嘅嗰啲，我唔記得個中文對住。係
Shruti,
Shruti
Smriti.
我嗰陣時 Shruti 係神訓經，係直接
係
係神
係啊係
嗰個全經嘅聖人寫
係 OK 係啦，咁所以佢係由神嘅直接訓示所講嘅經典咯，係啦，要高過於係由聖人復述嘅經典。
Yeah. And as Prabhupada is mentioning here, it's commentary to the Brahma Sutra or Vedanta Sutra.
咁呢度咧，巴布巴須亦都有提到咧，就係呢個Brahman Sutra 啦，同埋呢個 Vedanta Sutra 啦，偉壇多經。
Yeah, Vedartha Paribringhita Purananam Samaveda. It's compared to the Samaveda among the Puranas.
咁所以佢嗰度都有講到，就係話呢個Vedanta 啦，佢嗰個經典啦，佢係將嗰個所有嘅 Puranas 咧係集中於一身嘅。
But also Purana, as an oral tradition, it's understood, it's something which is heard and spoken and therefore kind of ageless.
咁但係咧，亦都要考慮咧，就係因為咧 Puranas 往世書咧，佢係嚟自一個咧口述嘅嗰個傳統，咁所以咧佢係被視為咧佢個內容咧係嚟自更加古老啦，同埋係永恆。
And the written Puranas that we find today, it's understood they are later, and even in the 12th canto Bhagavatam, I think that's the implication.
咁呢個而嗰啲手即係編寫出嚟嘅嗰啲往世書咧，係應該係後期先至會出現。而呢一點咧喺第12篇嘅聖典博加亞談嗰度咧，佢係有都睇到嘅。
Yeah, even the scholars will readily say that there's nothing we can say about the date of oral, what they call oral text, a text which is heard and spoken and maybe memorized. They say there's no way to know how old such a text is because it's oral.
咁但係所以咧，連學者咧，其實佢都唔可以否認一樣嘢，就係佢哋要承認任何呢個關於係一個口述出嚟嘅呢一啲知識同經典咧，佢哋其實係追溯唔到底個時間係幾多嘅。
Yeah. And the written texts, some of them, by scholarly estimation, are much more recent.
咁而所以學者佢哋亦都講就係話咧，嗰啲用即係變成文字啦，嗰啲經典嗰啲傳作咧，佢哋嘅出現時期咧係比較近代嘅後期。
How the how they come to their estimations, that's a long, long story. They spend years and years analyzing the language and considering, comparing. There's many ways that they use to estimate the age of a text.
咁但係咧，佢哋當時啲學者要點樣去估計啦，去判斷嗰個經典出現個年份咧？當中呢個就係一個好長嘅故事嚟，因為佢哋用咗好多唔同嘅方法，例如佢要比較文字當中嘅語法啦，佢哋呢啲文字嘅嗰個出現嘅背景啦，從而去做好多呢個判斷，用咗好多年嘅時間先至去講出個結論。
And it's all quite speculative.
不過都係好多係一個心智思辨嚟嘅。
But it keeps them busy.
咁但係呢啲就令佢哋好多嘢做，生活充實咯。
It keeps them having a position in a university.
咁亦都因為從事呢啲活動，所以佢哋可以喺大學保有一職位啦。
Yeah. Okay. So, Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai.
Jai!
Have a wonderful Saturday.
Yay!
What is Saturday in Putonghua?
星期六，星期六，星期六。
Sing Helong.
Krishna Krishna Swami Ki.
Right.